So what is tax overage recovery? So let's say Tom owes $10,000 in property taxes, right? And his home is foreclosed on because he doesn't pay those back taxes. Well, what will happen is the county or the treasurer tax collector's office will come in and they'll place a lien on that property. And that lien states that a certain amount of back taxes need to be paid in order to become in good standing. Now, if those back taxes are still not paid, what will happen is the county will come in through the tax lien and they will place the property on an auction block. Okay, and investors will come in and they will bid on this property. And what happens is the highest bidder will receive the property. Now, once the back taxes are paid back from the sale of that property, so let's say the back taxes were $10,000 and the property sold for $100,000, that additional $90,000, the difference between the sale price and the tax liability, is called the overage. And we come in and we help the claimant recover this money because, believe it or not, a lot of these people do not even know this money exists. And I know what you're asking. You're like, well, Grant, how do they don't know it exists? Well, the county is real quiet about this money being generated, and it sits in a trust account earning interest waiting to be claimed. And they do very little to nothing to let these people know that their money is sitting there. So let's recap. You owe $10,000 in property tax. You don't pay it for whatever reason. The county will come in, or the tax collector's office, and they'll place a tax lien on the property. If you still don't pay those back taxes, they will place your property on an auction block and sell it to recover those back taxes. Now, anything in addition over the back taxes that the property sells for is called an overage. So in this case, Tom owed $10,000. His property sold for $100,000. That difference is $90,000. And that money, believe it or not, sits in a trust account with the county waiting for the claimant or the prior homeowner at this point, because Tom no longer owns the property because he lost it at a tax sale. They wait for him to come forward and file a claim to recover that money. And they do very little to nothing to let him know that he has that money sitting there. It's pretty crazy.